I am Jim with the Works RL channel. It's nice to have you here. Unfortunately, you're probably here because you just had a failure on the flow indicator of your Bissell big green carpet cleaning machine. Sorry to hear that. You're probably in the middle of cleaning a room like I was. You got to get it done. You've shut down a room and you really don't have time to sit and watch a YouTube video. So let me just jump right to what I did to get it fixed. My kludge fix, which is an absolute kludge. You can't use the hand wand sprayer anymore because you're taking away that coupler that's part of that assembly on the flow indicator. However, this is for trying to just get through a weekend when you can't wait till the middle of the week when the part arrives. I did run to Menards. I got a couple 1/4 inch barbed couplers that go from 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch. But these are little hose clamps, 1/4 inch to 5/8. So what I did is use some 1/4 inch clear plastic tubing. And of course, unplugging it, absolutely got to be careful about the fact that you're going in doing something you really shouldn't be doing. I like to put the screws in the pattern that I took them out so I know which ones came from which holes. I'm just going to release this handle. Looks like 2 more right there. Let's take those out and see what we get. Just takes a little effort to pull it out. Again, we'll just keep making sure we don't lose any screws here. I think I've got this one here too. So that's in the lower right. Let's make sure we put them all back in the same spot. So I don't see any holes or tears that I can tell in those hoses. So I think it's got to be this entire contraption. Oh yeah, you can see where it's completely separated right there. I think it's this entire assembly. Put that through there. Let's tie it to the other one maybe. That's for now. Just so we don't lose, just so that doesn't slip down and go down into that channel down here. There we go. See, it's like that ridge, that little rib or barb right there. And then hopefully we can just spin this one off a little bit. We'll get 2 couplers and go here, just a short loop to here, and then it kind of sticks up and that'll be our flow indicator. And that's something we can do right now without having to wait for this. So we could go from this to that just for the moment. I'll lose the ability to have that tube that goes to the hand wand, but I think that's forgivable. I'm just going to leave it at that for now. Just put that clamp up instead of pushing it all the way to that stopping point. heat gun and heat up the ends here. Maybe that would make it a little more pliable. And this could be a bit narrow for these. I just grabbed what I had in the garage. I was just trying to use up this clip that I had laying around. We'll see. This will come up and act like our own flow indicator. Before I put it all back together, I just want to turn it on. Be careful, of course, because this is all exposed to the motor. I just want to turn it on and see if we get any leaks from any of our hoses before I put it all back together. So I've just got plain water in here right now. Got a leak. I'm not leaking here, but I am leaking up here and then down. So I think that did the trick. I'm not seeing any leaks here. This isn't ideal in terms of its tidiness. Using up some clear 1/4 inch tubing that I had. I like the clear because that acts as my flow indicator. Okay, there was one shorter screw that went up here. I have nothing but good things to say about this machine from Bissell. I've cleaned thousands of square feet. It's really saved me a lot of money from having to pay a service to come out and clean my carpets, and just for the convenience of doing it on my schedule, not theirs. That's why I like doing it myself. I hope this helps. You can check out some of my other videos. It's great to have you here, and together we find out what works in real life.